and she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. It has been forever, guys, and I do apologize. Life has been kicking your girl's butt. Y'all, but I'm here. I am here, and I thank you guys for rocking with your girl. I know it's been a while. I promise y'all I'm gonna try to get better with this because I miss y'all and I enjoy making videos. So shout out to y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for my old subscribers for rocking with me still. Moving forward, I'm hoping to post more frequently, the most high willing. Today's video is about my 1 year lock anniversary. It's actually been a year and 2 months. And this is what we're working with, y'all. I'm gonna do a 360. Hair is doing what it wants to do, literally. I just have hair standing on top of my head, but nonetheless, I love it. It might look crazy to everybody else, but I love my hair. I have a few locks, but they're attached to this, and then this is attached to this. Like, it's just all attached. So if you pull this, this goes. Look. This is like, it's nothing I can do. I can't break it. And y'all gotta see the back. It's all smushed together. Like I said, it's doing what it wants to do, and I'm enjoying it. I'm not doing much to it still. I wash it whenever I feel like it, which usually is like once a month or once every 2 weeks. It's whenever my scalp lets me know that it needs to be washed, which is not like frequently. I'm still using shampoo only, no conditioner. I have not separated my hair as of yet. I don't think I am going to separate, but if I do, I will let y'all know. Yeah, for the most part, when I go out into the world, I have my hair covered. I don't know if y'all see, I have like a two-tone forehead because yeah, most of the time my hair is covered when I go outside. And I will show y'all how I wrap my little baby Freeform Locs in the next video if y'all want to know. Comment below if y'all want to see that video on how I wrap my hair. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is what happens when you don't comb your hair for a good minute. No combs, no brushes, and I feel liberated. I feel free. I'm just excited about the future with my hair. I will keep it updated. If y'all want to know anything else, or if y'all have any video suggestions, please comment them below. I'm here to help. This is my 3rd Freeform Loc journey, and I just love Freeform Locs. Natural Freeform Locs, natural locks. No beeswax, no products, just natural hair. Natural Freeform Locs. So yeah, guys, if y'all like this video, please thumbs up this video. Please help your girl get in this algorithm. I really would appreciate if we could get this video going, get my channel out there, just to help your girl out and to help other people out, especially women. Okay, we got a lot of men out there doing this, but not that many women, so it'd be good to like just help each other out and have a community. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe on your bell notification so you know when your girl posts a video, because you know I'm not really out there like that. I don't really post that consistently, but I want to. I'm going to try to, I promise. Like, let me know what y'all need. Let me know what y'all want to see, and I can get some more videos out there. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.